The line 4y equal to x plus c, where c is a constant, is a tangent to the curve at the point P on the curve. Find the value of c. Given equations are 4y is equal to x plus c and y square is equal to x plus 3. What he is saying is, this line is a tangent to the curve. What do you mean by that? Is C. Suppose this is the curve equation. He said this line is the tangent, means the line should intersect the curve at only one point. Line intersecting the curve at only one point, only then I can say line is a tangent to the curve. Now, if it is intersecting at only one point, what condition do I make use of? Is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If I make use of this condition, the result will be the value of c. Okay, now to make use of this condition, I should have a quadratic equation. To get the quadratic equation, I should solve these two equations. And how do I solve these two? See. Here it is 4y. Here it is y square. I cannot make y equal. So skip, go to x. Here it is 1x, here also 1x. They are same. So next what I do is I write below this. So 4y is equal to 1x plus c. Why did I check? Why did I see for x to be same? Because now I subtract these two. When I subtract this, cancel out. To cancel out only, I have made them, I have seen whether they are equal or not. Now, so left out is y square minus 4y. And on this side, here it is 3 minus c. Bring all the terms to one side. What do I mean is, I shift this entire thing to this side. So it will be y square minus 4y. Here it is plus 3 after shifting minus 3. Here minus c after shifting plus c equal to 0. You compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When I compare, I get a value to be 1, b to be minus 4, and c is minus 3 plus c. Okay, now replace the values of a, b and c in this to get the value of c. Clear? Replace a, b, c in this condition, you will get the value of c. Now, in place of b it is minus 4. Minus 4, in place of a it is 1. In place of c it is minus 3 plus c. So minus 4 whole square is 16. Here 4 into 1 is 4. So with minus 4 multiply this. Minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12. Next minus 4 times plus c. Minus into plus minus 4 times c is 4c is equal to 0. So here 16 plus 12 is 28. 4c is equal to 0. Now add 4c on both sides. This cancel out. 28 equal to 4c. Now divide by 4. That implies 7 equal to c. So value of c that we got is 7. Okay.